It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube. I'm back with another review. I got the Sterling Wahl cordless Big Mag and the Little Mag. The Big Mag is the clipper, the Little Mag is the trimmer. Now these are different types of clippers and trimmers. Now on the Big Mag, it comes with a quick recharge. A recharge stand, it got 90 minutes of continuous runtime for cutting. Then it's rust proof, high precision, quick detached stainless steel blade, right? And then also on the Little Mag, right, we got it's cordless also. It sits on the charger stands. It's up to 2 hours of trim time, so you can use this for 90 minutes on each pair, right? Then also right here you have 4 combs. It's German made blade. It's lightweight lithium ion battery. Y'all know what that is. Always says the same thing. You know, this is what you get with cordless clippers and trimmers nowadays. And then on the side of the box, it's telling you about, you know, the combs that come with the blade, how you attach the charger, how the blade is made, you know, the levels of the blade, the blade snap on and off. Also, I guess that later on they'll make some like more detachable blades to go with this. They can further the brand. Now later on in the video, I'm gonna show you clips of me actually using these trimmers and clippers. And on the side of the box, it's showing you, just everything included. It comes with a comb and all that. But I'm about to open up the box so you can actually see everything that's in it, and I'll go over it with you. So on to the unboxing. Now I've already used these clippers and trimmers, so I unboxed them earlier. But this is what comes in the box. You know, it got the guards, of course. It has the clipper. It has the charger here for the stand. You can use it without the stand or with the stand. It comes with oil and a brush. Also, that's the stand right here. As you see, the stand sits on your station real nice. This is the clipper. Also, nice sleek style. It has the adjustments on the back of the blade, so while you're holding it underneath, you can adjust it underneath. So that's something that you might have to get used to if you buy these clippers. It's a different technique that you would have to use and get used to. And this is a taper comb. You can use this. This is mainly for like clip over comb work. And this is the Little Mag. The Little Mag is the trimmer. So the trimmer, this is everything that comes in the box. It's similar to the Big Mag. It comes with a charging stand. Comes with instructions on how to keep everything rust free and things like that, and just proper care of your trimmer and clippers. So and this is it. It resembles the father and the son. There, I like to call it that sometimes. So it resembles the Big Mag. It's just a smaller version. It's sleek. Also, the charger, like I said, you can use it on the stand or off the stand. So, and it has guards also, and I'll show you that. That's the cover that goes on top, and these are the guards for the Big Mag. So along with having the adjustable setting on the bottom of the blade, it also comes with its own sets of guards that you can't use the premium Wahl guards on because the blade is shaped different. Now this is when I was using the clipper and the trimmer, and the trimmer is first. I just want to show you the thing about the trimmer I like is lightweight. It feels good in my hand, and it has good power, right? The thing I didn't like about the trimmer, I can't zero gap it, right? So for me, I would like these trimmers for kids, somebody who has sensitive skin, for stylists, maybe women that cut hair and like to neckline women on the back of their necks. It's good for that. So the trimmer, you see, it's actually cutting the cut straight hair pretty well. It's just not as close as I would like it, but you could definitely use it. You would have to come back and use a razor to get, to finish off the extra stubble to give it that super clean look. But it does cut, and you can see right here that it's actually cutting. And I'm using minimal effort. It's actually cutting, so I like it. If it was able to zero gap, it would be really a really good trimmer. Really good. It feels really good in your hand. It's light, just enough weight. Kind of reminds you of, it's sort of between a detailer and the Andes Slimline Pro. So to me, it's in between those two without being able to be zero gap. So that's the finished product for that. Now I'll come back and I'll show you how I use the clipper. This is the clipper right here. As I was telling you, the adjustable part is on the bottom, and this really goes from like a 3 out to a 1 because it doesn't. You can't zero gap this either. So it's close. It's probably like a 3 out, 3 or 2 out, I would say, for me, if I was using blades, right? So it's not a complete zero. Also, I like this. The things I like about this clipper is just like the trimmer. It's lightweight. It still has power. Feels good in my hand. I really like it. The only thing that's a con for me in this clipper is the fact that the adjustment is on the bottom. If they had the lever on the side, I would be using these every day because these are nice. Now, if you fresh out of barber school or starting barber school and you want a tool that you can use, something new, and you just want to try them out, you could adjust to these. Because I've been using adjustable clippers with the lever on the side for so long, it's like learning something foreign to me, right? So I like them, but that's the only thing I don't like about them. Now you can see I'm fading with them just normal, I'm using my clipper over comb with them. They're light enough to where you can do your motions with it, your train track motions, your over the top motions, things like that. You see they're giving a nice fade. The other thing I didn't like about this clipper is that I can't use my Wahl premium guards on it. I have to use the guards that they have, and their guards come from between 1 and 4. There's no half guard or 1.5 guard, nothing like that. So to me, these clippers are for clipper over comb work. So if you do a lot of clipper over comb work, this clipper is perfect. For me, I do a lot of fading, and in between fading, I can do clipper over comb, but that's not what I do majority of the time. I implement it in my haircuts, but it's not what I'm doing all the time. So like I said, other than those two factors, I love the clipper. So now to the price point, how much would both of these cost you? For both pair, you're looking at a total of about $230. So the trimmer is about $80 and the clipper is about $150. So that's a little cheaper than some of the other clippers and trimmers that's out there. So as a combo pack, $230 will get you the combo, and you might can find it for a little cheaper if you catch them on a sale. So anywhere between $200 and $230 if you catch a sale, right? So that's not bad, especially when you're getting two of the same. They look good, they feel good in your hand. Like I said, I actually like them. I just would alter different things on them to make them perfect for me, right? But the power, everything that it says on the box that it delivers, it does that. The blades come off and detach and things like that. But this is the taper. Now, without having half guards and things like that, it's kind of hard for me to get the blend in that I would like doing the things that I do, but I still work it the same way. He loved the haircut at the end no matter what. And because I just know how to finesse all my clippers. I know how to make a look, but I probably could have made it that much better. But I wanted to show you right here just how I'm using it. And I have to do a little bit more clip over comb work just to get the look that I was trying to achieve. But that's what I was saying. If you get these clippers or trimmers, then you have to work with them a little bit, get used to them and how they work. But that's it. I wanted to just do a quick review on these, show you what it was. Now everything it works as the box says it works without any adjustments. So if you want the clipper to work that way, you have to leave it the way that it comes in the box. I had to go in and finish what I was doing with my detailers because the detailers are sharper anyway. So but always when you're using clippers and trimmers and you buy them, this is how they're made to be used as it says on the box. Don't forget that. But don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. You know how we do it. Until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. Oh my